Guys, what kind of nachos are you making for Super Bowl?
Well, I think because it's the Super Bowl that we should be making super nachos, Rachel.
Super nachos!
No, soup as in like a soup that you eat, you know, with a spoon. So we're going to actually use broccoli soup to make these nachos. We're gonna start though with our meat, right? Every nacho should have some sort of nice protein.
Right.
In this case, we're gonna use brisket, right? So we'll start in this aluminum foil, and then Riley and Embry are gonna help season the brisket. Go ahead, put a little salt on there, girls. All right, with some Cajun spices, a little bit of smoked paprika, right? Because we want it to taste good. A little
nice
salt.
And smoky, right?
A little salt's gonna go a long way. A little bit of black pepper. And then we're gonna make this rub for our brisket. So over here, what Riley's gonna help me do is I'm mixing brown sugar and just standard yellow mustard. So Riley, you wanna mix this up right here.
So we have Cajun seasoning, we have smoked sweet paprika, we have salt, pepper.
Exactly, all these spices.
In a generous amount, and then a little brown sugar and mustard, like straight up easy. Everybody's got all these things already at home.
And this is one of my favorite recipes, Rach, because look at it. It's a couple of ingredients.
So easy.
And what we do is we're gonna wrap it up in some aluminum foil. And it's simple. You wrap it up
in the oven?
really, really tight. You wanna do that?
Sure.
Awesome. You wrap it up really, really tight. You can head on over to the oven.
Gotcha.
And then I'm gonna switch sides with you girls. Okay, so now it's gonna bake for 8 hours.
Oh, look, Richard.
Wow.
We have one that we did already on hand.
Exactly. So it's tender, and now we have this really, really cool pulled brisket. But before we do that, we need to make our pico de gallo, which is fresh tomato salsa, which we eat a lot when we're in Southern California watching the Rams. No, I'm not tipping anything. The cheese sauce is really simple. It's just going to be some heavy cream, right?
Easy, easy.
Easy, easy, and then some broccoli. And that is gonna cook on the stove until the broccoli is super tender,
right?
Which is what we have over here.
That one there.
And then we're gonna add our cheddar cheese because nachos need cheese, right?
Nachos need cheese.
Now it's time to sort of build our nachos. So we have our chips out, and girls, you're gonna help me. We're gonna build all this.
A good old cast iron skillet. What a fun, cool way to present them as well.
Absolutely, right? And then we're gonna add our broccoli cheese sauce. And the key to nachos here is we want these layers. So go ahead, Ember, you wanna put in some cheese on top of this? Riley, you wanna come on over here with that bowl and add some tomatoes on there?
Nice.
I'm gonna add some of our burnt ends, which is what they would call them in Kansas City, these little charred bits of brisket. And we're just stacking this up pretty high.
There you go, go right up there.
All right, and then you have the
You wanna grab that one?
You're gonna,
I got them up.
This one is, this is where I'm gonna have to, there's some NFL players over there, so I'm gonna have to flex right here. This is a heavy.
Oh my God.
A heavy.
It's a trivet right there.
Trivet right here. Okay, girls, come on down this way. Come on down this way.
All right, girls, come over by Dad.
All right.
There's a big finish. We're not done.
Yeah. So now, Rachel, you're gonna have to help me with this part, right?
Okay, sure.
Because it's the Super Bowl. We're using broccoli soup. These are super nachos. And I wanna go really big. I wanna go big for our presentation. So we're gonna smoke these nachos.
This is called a smoking gun.
This is a smoking gun.
Like 60, 65 bucks. We have one. My husband even smokes his margaritas.
Ooh, he is a
Delicious.
mixologist extraordinaire. He really is.
He really is.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna get that bowl on here, and then I'm gonna try and get
the fire
this fire going so that we can smoke these nachos under this bowl.
A dome.
And you can see what's happening right here.
Woo!
Okay. All right, I think that's good. We'll leave that on top of there if we can. All right, you ready? You ready for the big moment? Okay, 3, 2, 1. There it is. All right, so girls, now we're gonna garnish, right? So these are all the cold bits. With nachos, you want, again, those textural contrasts, like soggy and crisp,
and
but you also want
cold.
the temperature contrast, hot and cold. So add all these things, some beans. Okay, can you reach over here?
This
you got
guy's
it?
not too hot.
You got it? Let's get it a little closer to us over here. All right, go ahead, add some olives. You like olives?
Yeah.
And at this point, add whatever you like. I like a lot of fresh cilantro.
What's in your squirt bottle?
In the squirt bottle right there, we got a little bit of the juice from the brisket, right?
Juice.
That's gonna come out of that aluminum. And then I'm just gonna throw some dollops of sour cream on here. By the way, I'm getting super hungry right now. Okay.
Super hungry.
Yeah, right on the top. A little bit of scallions. A little bit of lime juice, girls. What do you think?
Woo!